Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 17 of the Cougar Connection. We had an incredibly busy week here at Simons Middle School last week, several ball games, and we also had our first ever Amazing Shake. It was also the continuation of our holiday cheer calendar. We had wheelchair basketball, Blitz Day. We also had our winter semi-formal dance. So a big week at SMS. And this week upcoming, something that's very important, parents, that you need to know about, and students, is our MAP testing schedule. We will be MAP testing and reading on Monday, and math on Tuesday, and writing on Wednesday. If students are not present at school this week for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to complete their assessments, they will not be permitted to go on the field trips that are on Thursday. So it's going to be really important that they are in attendance for those 3 days. If you've got questions or concerns, parents, please go ahead and give us a call tomorrow morning in the office. Also upcoming are some schedule changes. I know this is something we've been talking about since fall break, but students, your assessment scores, your test scores this week are going to be really important, because those are going to be yet another piece of data that we're going to be looking at when we make a few adjustments to the schedule after the third 9 weeks starts. So for this week on Monday, it is Mad About Plaid Day. It's also our reading map. The choir will perform at 6:30 in our SMS auditorium. That's free to the public. On Tuesday is Christmas Vacation Day, and that is wear your Hawaiian duds and gear. No bathing suits, please. We will also take the Math Map assessment. Students who are in the drama club will perform their play at 6 o'clock in the SMS auditorium, also free to the public. There is a board meeting at 6:30 on that night. Staff, it is also your Christmas lunch. And it is round 2 of the Amazing Shake, which is Work the Room. And this will be for those top 25 students. It'll be in the Simons Middle School Library from approximately 8:30 to 9:30. On Wednesday, SMS will have its Christmas dinner here at school. It's also Ugly Christmas Sweater Wednesday and our writing benchmark. It is also Community Christmas. On Thursday, it's Rocking Around the Christmas Tree Day, which means wear your favorite band or music t-shirts, students. We will also have all students going on reward trips that day, and there is a TNI Zoom meeting at 3:30. Friday is Grinch Wear and Bring It Friday. So students, wear your favorite Grinch wear or your Bring It Friday shirts. We will have Kona Ice, and we will also have the performance of the SMS Student Christmas Play at 9:30 here at SMS. Over the weekend, next weekend, we want to wish Mr. Mulholland and Mrs. Thompson a happy birthday. And now on to our student spotlight. We had a really awesome first experience with the Amazing Shake here this week at Simons Middle School. So we would like to recognize those top 25 students from the Shake competition. We're extremely proud of all these 8th graders. I was over the moon with how well they performed, how well spoken they were, and how they handled themselves on that day. The Amazing Shake is a competition that places an emphasis on teaching students things like manners, discipline, respect, professional conduct. It's just basic employability skills about how students interact and talk to people and make a first impression. The goal is to prepare them for what they have coming in life, and to be able to represent themselves well for opportunities today and in their future. We would like to give a special recognition to Lane Moran. He was the very first Amazing Shake Top 25 winner. So the Amazing Shake does have several rounds, but Lane did place first. And then this week when we start the Amazing Shake, everything will reset. Everyone's score goes back to 0. And then those top 25 students get another chance to wow judges and work the room. And eventually we will get down to the top 5, top 3, and then top students. So we will keep everyone updated in the connection about that progress. But Lane is a great big personality, vivacious, warm, funny, friendly. He always makes people around him feel good because he always cares enough to interact with kids and even with adults. So huge shout out to Lane Moran. We're incredibly proud of you, Lane. And also a huge shout out to these top 25 students. I can't wait to see what round 2 is like for you guys this week. We do want to take a moment and recognize our Achieve 3000 leaderboard winners for this past week. We want to congratulate Stephen Mitten, JC Hunter, Keegan McDaniel, Chloe Kahn, Wyatt Emmons. Congratulations to Keegan for being the top scorer this week, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above in grade 7 was a tie between Addie Earlywine and Garrison Kinder with 5, and in grade 8 with Desiree Mathis with 2. So here is our Alex leaderboard for December the 11th. We did have several students who are ready to move up to the next grade level in math. We did take some level sets this past week and the week before at SMS, and that just helps progress students through that content. So congratulations to those Alex leaderboard students. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Just a reminder that Christmas break will begin after Friday of this week, and then at SMS Cougars, we will not return to school until January. So Merry Christmas, SMS. I hope you enjoy your break. Let's have a great week.